OSPF, it is an open source interior gateway protocol which is used to route traffic within the autonomous system. It works on let every router know about every network principle, and to do so, routers share the network information in the LSA packets. These LSAs are shown in the database known as the linked state database or LSDB, and the goal of OSPF is to have the same LSDB in all of the routers. How it works is, each router have a router ID which is configured either manually or automatically and sends out a hello packet to the nearby routers. Other router checks the requirement and if everything is good, sends out a hello packet as well to become the neighbors. Now the routers need to exchange the information, but in a large network, when the link gets changed, then this update is announced by every router and a lot of OSPF traffic is generated. So the routers elect a designated router or a DR as well as backup DR, which will make the announcement when the link is changed, and other router will ignore the update unless it's from the designated router. This significantly reduces the OSPF traffic. The DR selection is done based on the OSPF priority order or the router ID if the priority is a tie. After election, routers share the list of their LSA with each other, known as the database description or DVD. Routers look over the DVD and request for any information that it doesn't have using a link state request packet. The response is sent out using a link state update packet, and the link state acknowledgement is sent at last. At this point, routing information is exchanged and all routers have the same LSDB information. But how does the router select the route using this database? In short, routes are selected on the basis of link cost. The cost is set for different types of link, and the cost is pre-calculated for each route. For example, to send a packet from router A to router E, there are multiple routes, but the path with the least cost is the preferred option for the routing. For the management, in a very large network, the LSDB of each router could have thousands of items with even more number of routes, and finding a specific route in a huge list takes time, which makes it slow. To solve this, network can be broken down into multiple areas. The router within the area maintains a database of only that area, and the inter-area routing is managed by the area border routers. This reduces LSDB and routes, increase the network performance and the scalability. Setting up OSPF is also a piece of cake. Just type network OSPF and area number. Provide the list of all directly connected network with their wildcard marks. And you're done. Give it some moment and OSPF will work its magic. This is all for OSPF. See you in the next one. Meanwhile, subscribe,